orientation day of our school's Science and Astronomy Club. Here are some of our committee members demonstrating a few interesting science experiments. Let's welcome them.
The first experiment is the yellow copper experiment.
It's a copper reddish brown. How can it become yellow? That is so strange.
You will know how it works after the experiment. Firstly, prepare a beaker with zinc and sodium hydroxide inside. Then, add the copper into it.
The copper is still reddish brown. Nothing is changing.
Of course not. It's not done yet. We still need to heat it with a non-luminous flame.
I am so excited for the result now.
Heat the copper again and you will find the copper turns yellow.
Wow, that's amazing. It's like turning copper into gold, which was called
Alchemy, right?
exactly.
Does the copper really turns into gold actually?
Haha, of course not. Soaking the copper in the zinc solution actually coats its surface with zinc. When the zinc-covered copper is heated, the copper and the zinc coating mix together and the uniform mixture turns gold, but just in color. Exactly. It's called brass actually.
The second experiment is a fountain experiment.
What is a fountain?
Fountain is a stream of water that falls up into the air. Let me tell you how to do it.
Okay.
Firstly, boil the water and pour the hot water into a glass bottle. Then, pour the hot water out. Add phenolphthaleate into the glass bottle. Stop up the glass bottle immediately. Finally, lower the free ends of the glass bottle into a water tank of cold water.
In the hot bottle, air expands and some of it is even forced out of the bottle. After hot water is poured out, the hot air cools down in the closed bottle. The pressure inside decreases.
Let me guess how it works afterwards. The external atmospheric pressure, which is higher than the bottle's pressure, begins to push the pink solution into the tube. This creates the fountain.
Also, phenolphthaleate is a chemical which changes from colorless to pink when it is in contact with alkali. As alkaline sodium hydroxide is added into the water, it turns phenolphthaleate pink. Hence, the solution is pink.
So that's why the stunning fountain is pink. It's really amazing.
The last experiment is a Redox reaction between glycerol and potassium permanganate, which is explosive, so it has to be done in a flame couple.
It seems so dangerous. How does it work?
Just mix potassium permanganate and glycerol together, that's it.
Look, the reaction mixture bursts into a flame just after a while.
Potassium permanganate is a dark purple solid that is used as a very powerful oxidizing agent.
What's an oxidizing agent?
It refers to substance which donates oxygen, and glycerol is a reducing agent which accepts oxygen.
So the reaction occurs because one reactant is reduced and one reactant is oxidized. Is my guess right?
Yes, this is called a redox reaction. An addition of oxygen is often a very exothermic process, which means it releases heat. As the flame color of burning potassium is lilac, so
that's why the experiment ends with bursting into a lilac flame.
Exactly.
Aren't these experiments interesting? We, the Science and Astronomy Club, hope you all enjoy the experiment demonstrations and find them fun. Thanks for watching. Bye!